Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Syed Ali. Today I taking class for 10th standard social. First lesson, India relief features. So what is India relief features? It is nothing but types of landforms, climate conditions, peoples, water resources like rivers, etc. So in today's class we discuss on relief features. So types of landforms. Total globe is divided into two landforms. One is Angara and another one is Gondwana. Indian landform based on Gondwana landform. And we can see in India different landforms, regions, resources like Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic plains, deserts, peninsular plateaus, Deccan plateau, coastal area, western Ghats, eastern Ghats, highlands, etc. We can see in India. And coming to climate conditions, there is a very vasty and different weather conditions in India. From north to south, in northern parts we can see very cold areas. In southern part we can see very hot conditions. Why it is the reason we can discuss on coming classes. Coming to people, we can see different kind of peoples in India, like language wise, traditional wise, culture wise, religious wise, food habitation wise, settlements wise, etc. And coming to water resources, we can see rivers from north to south, and these are the relief features of India. So these are the relief features. Coming to India, where it is located in globe. So it is located in northern part of India. It's the southern hemisphere. So how can we find? With the help of longitudes and latitudes. So like this dots, longitudes and latitudes. So 8 degrees north to 50 degrees north longitude, and 68 degrees south to 9 degrees east latitudes. So we can see this degrees to find out India in northern part of globe. So this is the reason. And in India, so in India we can see different type of vegetations also, because of different conditions, different weather conditions, different landforms. So because we can see different kind of vegetations also. And how can we find and how can we calculate time in India? So entire world follows Greenwich Meridian time. It is London based time. And India we can follow Indian Standard Time. So before that, we should discuss Indian Standard Time. So here is one nation, is two places, like in eastern part and western part. So here is Arunachal Pradesh and here is Ahmedabad. So here is two places. So we can see the difference is, here is sunrises in 5:30 and here is 7:30. So here is 2 hours different in one nation only. So it is not good for one country, because entire country follows one time. Like for exams, for interviews, for many things follows one time. So here is a big problem. So then our scientist calculates the time, so which is passes through Allahabad. It is 82 degrees to 30 degrees longitude, and this is Indian Standard Meridian, and this time is follows entire nation. This is only this is the one time for one nation. So today we discuss these things in our class, like Indian relief features, types of landforms, climate conditions, peoples, water resources like rivers, time standards, etc. So in coming class we should discuss on the topic of geological background of India. So today's class is complete. Thank you.